The Big Bang. Most astronomers believe the universe began in a Big Bang about 14 million years ago. At that time, the entire universe was inside a bubble that was thousands of times smaller than a pinhead. As the universe expanded and cooled, energy changed into particles of matter and antimatter. The model of the universe contains dark energy in the form of a cosmological content. This theory suggests that only gravitationally bound systems, such as galaxies, will remain together and they too will be subject to heat death as the universe expands and cools. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 M31 or NGC 224, is a spiral galaxy approximately 718 km/s from Earth. As the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way, its name stems from the area of the Earth's sky in which it appears, the constellation of Andromeda. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest big galaxy to our Milky Way. Its spiral galaxy at 2.5 billion light years. It's the most distant thing you can see with your naked eyes alone. Approximately 4.5 billion years later, the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are expected to collide, and the result will be a giant elliptical galaxy. And the Tringulam Galaxy. The Tringulam Galaxy is the third largest member of this local group. It is one of the most distant objects in space group. It is one of the most distant objects in space that can be viewed with your naked eyes. One of the closest galaxies to Milky Way is the Tringulam Galaxy and is about 3 million light years away in the constellation Tringulam. The galaxy contains about 14 billion stars and its diameter is approximately 17,000 light years. It is a spiral galaxy which is close to other spiral galaxies. Andromeda about 2.5 billion light years away. The Tringulam Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy are of a part of a local group of 15 galaxies in the same neighborhood of Earth. Interesting Triangulum Galaxy fact. First, the galaxy may also be known as Messier 33 and NGC 598 and informally may be called the Pinwheel Galaxy. Second, it is thought to be a satellite of the Andromeda Galaxy due to their interaction velocity and proximity to each other. Third fact, the name of the galaxy comes from the constellation Triangulum. Fourth, it is a spiral galaxy with a weak or maybe no central bar and has loosely rounded arms that emanate from the galactic core. 5. A nebula is inside the core of the galaxy, a cloud of gas and dust, and is called an hill region where stars are formed. 6. Stars are actively produced by the Triangulum Galaxy scattered throughout the spiral arms. The rate of star birth is several times more than the Andromeda Galaxy. 7. The Triangulum and Andromeda are connected by streaming of hydrogen gas and embedded stars. Two galaxies are expected to have interaction in about 2.5 billion years as they did in the past. 8. The Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way also one interact affecting the Triangulum Galaxy, and it may be a part into a larger elliptical galaxy. 9th, thought it can be seen sometimes with the naked eyes. It can be better observed using a telescope. However, a small amount of light pollution can affect the observation of the galaxy without the aid of a telescope. 10th, the galaxy was originally discovered by Charles Messier in 1764 as Object 33 or M33. It was also catalogued by William Herschel, who mostly left out Messier discoveries. A complex astronomical radio resource Sagittarius A appears to be located almost exactly at the galactic center, approx 18 hours 29 degrees at contains an intense compact radio resource Sagittarius A which coincides with a supermassive black hole at the center of Milky Way. Observable universe is the spherical region of the universe comparison all matter that can be observed from Earth or its space-based telescopes. Exploratory probes at the present time allows electromagnetic radiation from these objects has had time to reach the solar system and Earth since the beginning. Comet is a small icy object that orbits the sun and has a long tail or gas. Some comets can be seen from Earth every 5 years. while others pass by once in a person's lifetime. Comets are made of ice, dust, and tiny pieces of rock. 270 billion suns is located inside the galaxy NGC 1277 in the constellation Perseus. Health threats from cosmic rays is the danger posed by galactic cosmic rays and solar energetic particles to astronauts on interplan. Space radiation threat to astronauts explained. Infographics. Humans traveling beyond the protection of Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field risk radiation cause cancer and other diseases. Radiation in space takes the form of subatomic particles from the sun as well as from resources in the Milky Way galaxy and beyond. What is the mean distance of Earth from Sun? The mean distance of the Sun from the Earth is approximately 149.6 million kilometers, means 1 astronomical unit. On average, it takes light from the Sun about 8 minutes and 19 seconds to reach the Earth. And once thought to be relatively insignificant stars, the Sun is how considered to be brighter than about 85% of the stars in the Milky Way.